Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys very easy and simple instant ice cream recipe. That's correct, you heard me right. We are making instant ice cream. That means you don't need to freeze it, you don't need to wait for the ice cream to get ready, and you don't need an ice cream machine. We are going to make this in less than 10 minutes in total. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Let's get started with this delicious, creamy, rich instant ice cream. Here I have half a cup of cold, heavy whipping cream. Now I'm going to divide them into two parts, but if you want to add them together and divide, that's also fine. Half a cup of cold, full fat milk, quarter cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now go ahead and mix them until the sugar dissolves. Now the main important part is this Ziploc bag. You need a good quality of Ziploc bag. I cannot insist on that. You want one smaller and one larger size Ziploc bag for two different ice creams. Now here I have a smaller bag which I'm going to add the ice cream mixture, the vanilla ice cream mixture, and go ahead and seal it nice and tight by pushing out a little bit of air. Make sure you seal them tight because when you don't want it to open and spill when you're working on this. If you have a zipper one, that also works great. Now here I have the larger bag. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of ice cubes now, and then add this smaller ice cream bag inside and add some more ice cubes, which is another 1 cup. And now to this I'm going to add a very important ingredient. This is salt. Half a cup of salt. You can add rock salt, kosher salt, any kind of salt, but traditionally ice cream salt is used to make this one, but doesn't matter if you don't have ice cream salt, that's totally fine. Use the regular salt you have it in your kitchen. Now I'm using a kitchen towel just to make sure I can handle the ice, because directly you cannot hold it because it's too cold. Now go ahead and give it a good 5-minute shake. Now depending on how well you shake, it could take 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Once you shake good 5 minutes, I'm going to show you guys how beautifully this ice cream has frozen. And you can see the vanilla ice cream is ready. I'm going to just show you how it looks. It's super creamy and super delicious. It looks really just the way that ice cream looks, the traditional ice cream looks. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just keep this in the same bag and put it back in the ice cream Ziploc bag and set it aside while I'm preparing the chocolate ice cream. For chocolate ice cream, I've added 2 tablespoon milk, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder. Just give it a quick mix and add it to the second batch of the cream mixture. In this I have not added the vanilla extract, but that's totally up to you. Just combine until the sugar is dissolved and the cocoa powder is well combined with the cream mixture. Now we are going to go ahead and continue the same process. Go ahead and add this cream mixture into the cream chocolate mixture into the small Ziploc bag, and seal it nice and tight by pushing out a little bit of air. And go ahead and add the ice cubes in the large bag and add the ice cream mixture into the larger bag, and add the salt, half a cup of salt, and go ahead and cover it. And using the kitchen towel, again we are going to go ahead and shake it for another good 5 minutes. And once you finish shaking it, I'm going to show you guys how this beautiful ice cream looks. This is incredible recipe. When I tried this recipe, I was amazed. I was speechless, and I had to share this recipe with you guys. And now I'm going to show you guys how beautifully it is frozen, and you can see as all the crinkles, you can definitely tell the ice cream is definitely frozen. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just wipe it down all the salt water, because I definitely don't want the salt water going into my ice cream. So just wipe it down, and now I'm going to show you guys how this ice cream looks. It's super rich, and right away I'm going to scoop it down into the bowl, and you can serve this with choice of any topping. And I'm going to show you guys how rich and creamy it looks. There is no difference between the traditional ice cream that you would freeze for hours or the ice cream that we just made, instant ice cream. It is the same. It is almost the same. There is no difference. Maybe if you don't shake it really well, it might be like a soft serving, the softies, but if you shake it good 5 to 10 minutes, you will have this traditional ice cream, like just beautifully set, beautifully frozen, and you can see it's nice and rich and creamy. And the taste is absolutely the same traditional ice cream because the ingredients are the same. Only difference is we just made this in 5 minutes. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.